this question is asking us to find the perimeter of this rectangle ABCD. Okay, there are a few things that we need to take note. Okay, this is a quarter of a circle. Okay, and this quarter, the arc, there's one point touches this rectangle, this line AB. Okay, and this angle is 90 degree. And of course, rectangle, the four corner, 90 degree as well. Okay. So, and this is the radius of the circle, R. Okay, and the length from D to F is 1, say 1 cm, and D to E is 2 cm. Okay, so you're asked to find the perimeter AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay, and then you look at this. This is a right angle triangle. If we know that this is 2, this is 1, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the R. So from here we can find the R is R squared plus 2 squared equals to R squared equals to, R squared equals to 2 squared plus 1 squared. So R squared will be 5. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 1 squared is 5. Okay, so R will be square root of 5. Length cannot be negative, so we have to take the positive square root of 5. Okay, and since that we know that it touched at this point, touched the circle at one point, this must be the tangent. And then, you know, the property of a geometry, if this is the tangent, the tangent point to the center of the circle, this is the center of the circle, is always 90 degree. Okay, if this is 90 degree, okay, so that means from here to this point is also R. Okay, so it's also the radius. This is the radius, this is also the radius, this is also the radius at this point. So now, how are we going to find the length? If we know that this is R and it's perpendicular, okay, so that means, say for example, if I let this point be H, so FH is actually equals to DA, and it's also equals to CB because it's rectangle. So what is R? R we have just found is square root 5. Okay, so in fact, this point is square root 5. From here to here is square root 5. From here to here is also square root 5. Okay. But we need to know DC. If we know DC, we know AB because this is a rectangle. Okay, so how to find DC? Okay. If we look at this is 90 degree. If I let this be X, then this one will be, because this is 90 degrees, so here will be what? 90 degree minus X. This angle be X, this one will be 90 degree by minus X. And from here to here, this is a straight line. So angle on the straight line will be 180. So 180 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree minus X. So this point will be X, this angle. So if this angle is X, this angle will be 90 degree minus X. So angle of a triangle will be 180. The sum of a triangle, sum of angle of triangle will be 180. So you see, 90 degree plus 90 degree minus X plus X will be 180. Okay, if you look at these two triangle DEF and triangle CFG, are the two identical? Are the two triangle identical? If the two triangles are identical, then we'll be able to find this length and this length. Okay, if you look at angle EDF, angle DEF, that means this angle, okay, is actually equals to angle FCG. This angle, both are 90 degree. Okay, and then you look at EF, the length of EF. Is it equals the length of FG? Because they are both radius. Okay, so this length is R, this length is R. Both equals to R. And then the other angle, so 1 point. The other angle, say we take FED and angle GFC. FED is 90 degree minus X. GFC is also 90 degrees minus X. So you look at, we have three conditions here. Okay, we have the same angle, say A, and then the length S, and another angle A. Remember, congruent triangle, if the if the two triangles are congruent, that means if I have two angles and one sides are the same, then the two triangles are congruent. So from here, from 1, 2, 3, we have same angle, same length, same angle. This one. Then we can say that these two triangles are the same. In fact, we have the other condition as well. This angle is also the same. DFE, angle DFE is also equal to C DFE is also equals to FGC. Okay, so we have another angle, same angle. So these two triangles, we have same, three angles are the same, and then one of the length is the same. So this proves that the two triangles are congruent. So that means they are identical. The two triangles. Okay. So if the two triangles are identical, that means this length DF is actually equals to CG. Okay. And then ED will be equals to FC. So now we know that DC is equals to 3. 1 plus 2. So AB will be the same. 1 plus 2, 3. So now we have found the perimeter of the rectangle. So the perimeter will be square root 5 plus 3 plus square root 5 plus 3. So it's 6 plus 2 square root 5. So that is the perimeter. So the perimeter will be 6 plus 2 square root 5. That is the answer.